Welcome to Steleo.
Hi everyone, welcome to Steleo. Thank you for stopping by. So nice to see you here. As you can see today, we will be drawing Mirabel Madrigal from Encanto. And I've got Stella with me here. Yeah? Stella, are you with me? Yeah, so today we're going to be drawing Mirabel Madrigal from Encanto. This weekend we went to see this movie. Such a good movie, wasn't it? Did you like it,
Yes.
Stella? Yeah, it was very, very good. Such a beautiful movie with such a beautiful message. Yeah? I like the message at the end. What was the message? What do you think the message was, Stella, at the end of the movie?
What the message?
Message? Like, what did you learn from this movie? I think what I've learned was that a family is stronger when they are together, right? It doesn't matter what powers they had on their own. It didn't really matter, right? But it mattered when they all got together at the end. Here we are trying to draw Mirabel, and let's see how it will turn out. First, I am using a pencil to draw Mirabel's face. Yeah, with everything she's got, the beautiful big glasses, beautiful big eyes, and the curly wavy hair. Yeah, Stella? Yeah. How do you think our drawing is looking?
Good.
Yeah, it's looking good. I think so too. Thank you guys for watching this video. It would mean a lot to us if you like this video to please subscribe. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you could subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for doing that. That would mean a lot to us. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this drawing. Keep watching.